Within this video, we're going to cover how to properly complete a chip repair. The footage shown is a shower surround that had multiple holes from our existing shower curtain. Our job was to patch and cover these holes with minimum visibility. We decided to skip showing the filling and bondo stage and specifically focus on the spraying aspect. The mix ratio we are using is for the Zenix 300 system, which is a 2:1 to 50% reduction. So in a separate mixing cup, the tech had mixed 3 ounces of part A and 1.5 ounces of part B as a base mix. We do not recommend adding the reducer to the base mix to extend pot life. The airbrush has a mini pot of around 2 ounces. So the tech filled up the pot halfway with the base mix, so roughly about 1 ounce, then reduced that amount by 50% or 0.5 ounces with reducer. After each coat, the pot on the airbrush will be reduced further by adding another 10% reducer to the existing pot. In general, the goal of the first coat is to provide good coverage over a specific area of interest. In our case, these holes. So we suggest using a circular spray technique over a lateral pass technique because it provides better coverage while minimizing overspray. In the clip, the tech is simply focusing on each individual hole for coverage. In the second coat, the tech added a small amount of reducer to the mini cup, essentially replacing the amount of paint sprayed in the first coat with reducer. The reason we suggest doing this is to focus on blending. If there was not sufficient coverage on the first coat, we suggest reapplying without reducing. Now, the third coat is specifically intended for blending. The tech added more reducer to the mini pot once again and was focusing on mid to the edges of the repair, further blending and dissipating the repair area. The goal is to try to make the transition from the surface and the material seamless over a larger area. Technically, after this pass, there is a sufficient amount of coverage and it's not necessary to apply another coat. We only recommend applying another coat if you feel that the surface isn't well blended enough.